Don't worry, there's not a new dress code requiring sunglasses at Strong City Schools. Today we're wearing our shades to celebrate. Why? It's just that things are looking so bright around here. I'm Jean Ferrara, proud to be principal at Holy Cross School. Every day, I get to see the stunning transformation of our students into mature young people, the result of quality, values-based education. At all our Strong City schools, we don't just educate, we change lives. I see this transformation in the joy of learning they take home to their families, in the grace of hope they give back to their communities, and in brilliant futures full of possibility for more than 450 students from pre-kindergarten to 8th grade. Take a look from our point of view at what we do here. And just like us, we bet you'll be amazed at what you see. You'll see opportunity. With our quality educational model, students have the opportunity to achieve academic success now and embrace the concept of lifelong learning. They learn to be accountable for their own education and actively take part in educational innovation, like SuccessMaker, an individualized instructional program that puts students on their own path at their own pace. You'll see students who came to school barely speaking English and within 6 months are performing at or above grade level.
When I first came to Holy Cross, I was actually kind of scared because I didn't know much English and I didn't know how much different it would be from preschool. That's why I was so surprised when I saw that a lot of other kids had the same problem as me. And I was also surprised at how patient my teacher was with me and all the other students. Now, thanks to Holy Cross, I could speak and write the language fluently, and I can even translate for my parents and help my family speak English the best I can. I think SuccessMaker has really helped me. It's given me a fun way to experience learning in both math and reading. It has also helped me in my English, and I've seen my scores increase as well as my other students.
Strong City students regularly test at or above their grade level, even with educational costs that are a third of public school districts. Last year, 100% of Strong City students graduated 8th grade. 85% went on to local Catholic high school. And 99% of our Catholic high school graduates went on to college. You'll see respect. It's an important word, but the concept is simple. We treat our students with respect, and in turn they give respect. Respect for themselves and for others, gaining an appreciation for people of all backgrounds. Take a look and you'll see students sharing their experiences and learning to be responsible citizens in a world without boundaries. Students like 8th grader Yak Nak, whose Episcopalian parents immigrated from Civil War-torn Sudan.
My parents chose to send me to Holy Cross because of the environment and the religious value and the education. Because religion here is like the most important thing to me. My goals after 8th grade graduation would be going to a good high school that will set me to go to a good college. What I hope to study would be business.
You'll see charity. At Strong City Schools, students are instruments of charity and find joy in giving back to their communities. Most of our students do live at the poverty level. Their dedicated families work hard and struggle to provide. The average household income is between $18,000 and $24,000 a year. But it's their richness of spirit that inspires their energy and creativity in giving.
Me and my family helped the man at Christmas time because he had no food and water, and he had no shelter and no blankets. When I went to the store, I got him water because he might be thirsty, food because he might be hungry, a hat because his head might be cold, and a blanket because his body might be cold. I picked out a camouflage blanket because it could blend in and they probably wouldn't notice him. What I learned from this was be nice to homeless people, help people who need stuff, don't be mean to friends, and don't be mean to homeless people.
And you'll see hope. Hope that is the fruit of values-based, transformative education rooted in Catholic tradition. Strong City students live out their faith in the way they apply themselves, respect others, practice charity, and dialogue together. You'll see them exhibiting empathy for others and learning to be stewards of justice and peace.
Some ways that I practice my faith in school is by going to Mass, reading the Bible, and I pray. I believe this makes me become a better student because I see of what my behavior does and like what being good could do for me in my faith in my life.
When you take a look from our perspective, you see what we see: opportunity, respect, charity, and hope. You see what happens when the focus is on the whole child, body, mind, and spirit. For us to sustain this success, we need strong City faculty, parents, and donors to catch the vision together, both in theory and in fiscal integrity. With your continued support, these strong City students can look into futures that are full of hope and bright with possibility. So bright